I'm Riley.
I'm Nick. And I'm Tony.
And this is OK Off-Road Mowers. We're doing the Leatherman Canada Story Takeover. This is the life of the day of the mower. Let's get it going.
Let's do it.
First thing we gotta do is actually get the mower prepped and ready to go. First thing I'm gonna do is get a belt on, so let's get to it. Old belt, fresh 89. Let's go. We've unloaded the mowers, we've packed them up, we've done all our pre-game checks. Let's do this. We even brought the barbecue. Done. Let's go have some fun.
What'd you do?
I don't know about that one.
That's not right.
Did it just slip? Oh, yeah. We got a tool for every job here, so set of vice grips there. Clamp her down. Those vice grips are doing work. Here we go.
I think that's tight.
Couple grunts, couple tools. I believe we're back out on the trail.
Chowing on the trail.
All right, there we go. All cooked up, all ready to go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh. Big shout out to Leatherman for the tools. We use them all the goddamn time and we appreciate it. Thanks again.